is back to Puff Daddy.
All right, y'all, Sean Combs has been a man of many names. I mean, he's been Puff Daddy, he's been Puff, Puffy, P. Diddy, and Sean Combs when he's acting, but he's taking it back to the original way.
That's a lot of damn names.
It really is. He's about to be Puff Daddy again. Why? Because he has a brand new album coming out called MMM. He said, for the record, I did not change my name. I always have been and always will be Puff Daddy. Be cool, man. LOL. Hashtag MMM. Hashtag big homie retweet. But his Twitter handle's I am Diddy.
I'm so confused.
So out of all P. Diddy's names, what is your favorite one ever?
P. Diddy.
But Puff Daddy fits him better. You know, back to the original, how we all got to know him, how he blew up with Biggie. Puff Daddy's where it needs to be.
Yeah, well, I don't care, so.
Dude,
Gary, why don't you care?
Puffy, P. Diddy, Sean.
I think it's time to change Gary's name. He hadn't had a new nickname in a long time.
What could we change that to?
G Tizzle.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. G Tizzle.
That sounds too hard.
You need something about G Tickle.
Hey, Dish Nation, did you like what you just watched? Well, then why aren't you subscribed? You can do it right here. Just click that little button right there. Oh, you're already a subscriber? Well, then click this button right here to watch more Dish Nation videos. Come on, you know you want to. Everybody's doing it.